Everybody's so creative. Oh, look, wrap you some ground beef around some raw spaghetti noodles and put them in a cast iron pan. Look at there. I wasn't taught this. I can't wait to take this to the next family reunion. I'm going to show off with this one. Now, put it in there in the pan. Put them all snuggy snug and let it cook down. You want to brown all that ground beef. See how the noodles are raw? That's on purpose. Write all this down. You don't have to pre-boil your noodles anymore. See how octopusish that looks? That's how you want it to look. Spin it round till it's dark and brown. Don't worry about it falling apart. Put your garlic straight on the pan. Don't put it on the meat. Put it on the pan because you want it to get like a nice brown sizzling coat around it and burnt. There you go. Put your peppers in the pan. Now we're cooking. This is going to be the best dish you've ever taken to the family reunion. Get your onions and put your onions all on top. All sorts of veggies. See how pretty those colors are? That's what you're going for. Now you got your wine. Put your wine in there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. This is turning it up now. See how that beef is all nice and brown and the noodles are still hard? That's exactly what it's supposed to look like. There we go. Oh, wow. I bet it smells so good in there. See, this is things that you do to impress everybody. Put that pasta sauce right in the pan. Any type you like. Put it right in the pan. See how bubbling that is? Oh my goodness, I can imagine how this is going to be when it's over. I really can. Oh wow, we're getting all of this right here, guys. Take this down. Oh my goodness, more and more sauce and add a little water. Cover it so that those pasta noodles can cook. Oh, now we're going to turn it up with some cheese. Got to add cheese. Get all your mozzarella cheese and see how that looks like a big, big cheesy pie? That's what you want it to look like. Put it in the oven, you know the magic number, 350 degrees for 475 hours because that's how long it's going to take to cook your pasta noodles. Now close it up and watch how it looks. It's going to look so good, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's bubbling. It's bubbling. See how good that look? That looks like anything could be underneath there. Anything. You can't even imagine what's underneath there. But we're about to see because we're so lucky. I can't wait to see this. I wish I was there to try it with her. Are you going to try this? Oh my goodness. Look at the cheese pull. Oh, see how the noodles look all hard and undone? And that's how it's supposed to look. See how it look kind of like broom bristles? That's what you going for. See that big clump? Oh, they about to taste it because they so happy. It jumped. See that? See that? Oh, he put it right back. Okay, y'all gonna taste it together. Oh, y'all all right? Y'all good? They all right. They thinking about it. They think about whether they should